Hello, beautiful, wonderful, amazing Jamaicans. Everybody, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So, I'm in Negril. I guess you guys would have probably figured that out by now. I'm in Negril. So, we skipped a couple days from our last video. So, you know, we spoke to another actress. If we look at some clips, let's just look at some clips from, I think it was what, day 3? We stopped at day 2. So I think it was day 3. Yeah, we spoke to Shan and Tori was there. You guys saw that video with Tori. So I'm in Negril now, as I would have mentioned. Yeah, over those past couple of days, it's insane work, guys, like no joke. So yes, you guys are probably wondering what are we doing in this video. So I on set. Not going to tell you exactly what we're going to do, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it, especially persons who are, you know, core fans of Richard Brown films. So yes, but you guys know how we do. We have to get some intro, all that good stuff, and then we get into doing what I think you guys will enjoy. So yes, it's amazing, it's amazing. But when I'm a long time subscriber, them even earlier to them come right on my foot there. So Rowan McNeil, big up yourself, my boss, manners and respect, and thanks to the link up. One whole heap of reason. But we don't want to hear about that anyway. So yes, it's just amazing the things that happen, them run, them pot. It's crazy, you get me? So now we get some intro and see how immersive and interesting we can make this, and you know, amazing journey and take on all that. I love chat too much, so we get some intro. People seem to know my wind up himself so far.
Up in live.
How you go, Candy?
Right here, sir. At the shop.
Your fans don't know which pan name right there, sir?
I'm going at the shop.
You even would have look pan them, boy.
Oh my God. You the pan live for you?
Not the pan live.
Seriously?
As in it a record, yeah. Where you go, Candy? Where you go?
I'm going at the mini mart. Come and show you mini mart.
Where you go, mini mart?
Right here.
Where you go, mini mart? Go do.
I'm going to get some chicken seasoning.
Yo.
I'm going to the mini mart.
Mini mart, guys, mini mart. So that we are doing another video. We are follow up and doing Candy. Because I know someone love Candy, so fear thing have it different. Not that we are singular out, but we not always Candy, we love Candy, so we are follow up Candy up and down to them.
What's that, me throat? Grandma make me a throat. Grandma! No man.
So Candy, are you a cook?
No.
So you usually cook all the while on there?
Yeah, me look how much time me cook. They give me a break now, man. Krista going to cook, not me.
So yeah, I can cook?
Yes. I
so differently do still, like where there shop or something, I interviewed until the shopkeeper forward, so you better pray to them or come.
Oh, I look like she did there.
So,
sleep. Yeah?
Our general there, I do the shop business, Papa. Alright, Candy, I get to because we not to interrupt her and make she do what she do. And then
I'm going to buy chicken seasoning. What kind of chicken seasoning? Maggie? You have no Maggie? Yes, see them the man. Hurry up now. No, put on the pot and the fire.
My Candy, they are rushy shopkeeper, I don't understand.
I'm a friend then, look you.
But I see him somebody in a movie.
No more.
Candy, so I say like a rough in a movie, them I say rough in a real life.
Yes, me a bad girl, and you know bad like me. I joke. Me a lover, I'm not a fighter. Much money. 1 Pepsi, please, and thank you. 1 Pepsi.
So how long you Ackeen now, Candy?
From the time when me start.
Oh, when I fire us and link up?
Yes.
But a long time I want to act because from the first time I see like you want even give me a piece of African accent.
Sure.
She have it, you know. She have it, you know.
So $250, $100 and $150. So just give me back $250, please.
So you acting a go on Candy. How you like it so far? How everything?
Listen to me now, me love big. You can send some money for PayPal things. Cause we want one camera, we want mic, we need some other something, and we need costumes. So big up on yourself. I don't know if Candy done love on a long time. You know. Listen to me now. Yes, the Candy now. I tell you straight from Richard Brown film. Me and Ackeen a big bridging to you now. We are team work up. Big up on yourself. I don't can go up on Ackeen film all the time.
Ackeen film, yeah.
You don't know Ackeen film?
What you mean?
You don't know Ackeen film?
Of course you have to know Ackeen film.
Ackeen film. Ackeen film, me say, and then Richard Brown film.
Yeah.
Go up on it and like, subscribe and share. Big up on yourself. If you don't see me on Ackeen.
So Candy, what cook? Here we go. We get to big up them.
Chicken.
Receive them and we love it. Right now, me I'll hug you up for them. Come and hug you up.
Sure, see this.
Alright, so then get to and hug up for you. So,
Alright.
curry chicken.
Love you, honey. We not do no curry tonight because some of them belly easy for run. But like all me now, my belly nothing and do it. Me have anything. And he not do me nothing. Me have iron belly.
Yeah, stuff. Alright.
Me have iron belly. He not do me nothing. Me teeth Richard Brown. $150 by Pepsi. Now get it back then send me a shop. They must pay me. Then too hard. I not work for nothing.
Zado star. So I'm gonna get one little taste of candy because we not finished yet. We not finished yet now because I remember night not come down all now. You understand me? And as me tell you now, I'm there, I follow up with things. So definitely leave a like, guys, as you're here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I don't know which character I want to see. I don't want to see the little girl who are coming in the movie when I go see next month. I'll catch her. But she there around the stove. As you know, what I see in the little clip, she on fire there in the kitchen and things. So I saw it work down here, guys. The lifestyle, the living, the kind of person, like, you know, change. I get me at the same people, like, even though the success come and it's still a growing thing, I see them people, I see them kind of living, I see them kind of positive energy, positive environment. And it's nice, as you can see. And lockdown will come shortly, so, you know, so them I get, yo, them people are shoot movie like 100 movie in a one day, like different scene, and then get to work and edit them. And as me tell them, I jump in on some of the edits, and guys, it is a whole lot. It make when me I do come like nonsense, you understand me? So yeah, have some other actors. I don't know, fun size, Short, Bieber, Shantai. We did a 20-minute video together. So she's going to come down, so now the acting process. So you know, my catch her at the behind the scenes. I don't see how the thing are going. So yeah man, stay tuned. Video not done yet. Left a like on the video. Tell me who no want to see, who no want me ask them, who no want to find out if them have man or if them like nobody on the set. So we have to do like an investigation thing too, you know. What I mean? Find out if none of the actors them fall in love with them one night and them kind of something there. So yeah, all that tonight too. So heard it. She what? What she do? She are the movie star. You know big up your fans them. Me say if you not big up your fans them.
Hi everybody, love y'all.
Then I see that a while ago. You have to say it again. Huh? Then I see it again. I true. Then I see it. Tell them what you do. Tell them what I go on.
May I season up, put up some meat actually. I seasoning it.
So people, the actors, they know about this. They don't feel like I know pia thing, you know. Serious over here, so know what I'm do to, you know. So Curious King. So they know say food I feed, things I cook.
I like the chicken wing. I don't want no chicken breast.
You want food, my sister?
Yes.
How far you come tell me what you know?
Who don't want no food?
You don't want no food, get bad now today.
You don't want no food?
Nobody
Say nobody don't want no
food.
food. Look here. I need the wing. Give me all like how much wing come from one chicken? 10?
4.
Give
A 4. You want it for them?
no,
I
a
take
12
one.
come from one chicken,
A
one to
16.
12 of them. You take a leg. Me not like leg. Give fire the breast. I love breast. That's why he always the chop.
That's why I always say do it.
Breast.
Always I chat about breast, not true?
Yes. Me always chat about breast.
What is scratch bag?
Me not like breast too trashy. Me want the 10 wing them.
So Mr. Brown,
Hey, what? Chat to me.
floor is yours. Last day of March. Make the people them know what's going on.
Watch a food one.
Can it's a March of full month, which he should write still, but apart from that, we have a whole heap of projects that we have lined up, but we are edit.
That's what I look on right as
Yeah, man,
well.
it's a one and that's a one next one over there. So.
But they want one new computer and sit in my boss.
Well, me want one laptop, you know, this are going for around a long time, man, more than 6 years. It's a one I know, but you don't know where work we have. So I wouldn't mind if them sorry for it. No, I use the word sorry for. Wouldn't mind if they can buy one nice gaming laptop to edit video.
John no star, that would have tough. So General, new member to the team.
Yes.
I introduce yourself, make them know who they are, so.
Alright, so I'm say now. Full name Kevin Maduri, but you can call me Mega.
Man, so nervous a freak.
I abusive, see him there. Yeah, abusive man in the upcoming movie, you know, soon see it. So yeah. Why your role on the team in general?
So, I'm the main editor
Yeah?
right now. I don't know if I play no scene. I don't know if I have the part of me the acting part. As the man say, I'm nervous, but I'm not nervous.
Yeah.
I have too much names, so I don't know right name to say, see me?
So how you feeling so far? How you feel? How environment and everything? How it feel?
Well, me used to environment, you know, the whole editing thing, and nothing new to me.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm just get used to the whole short movie thing. I normally used to the music video and event video, so not really nothing, I don't know new to me still.
Alright, my general, big up yourself.
Alright, listen.
Long journey ahead. So Mr. Bro, not more you want to tell me? Last day of March, whole heap of project.
Well, me just, well, I can't take time to talk to you, baby.
I like the movie.
So basically, the amount of projects that we have lined up, we are trying to edit and trying to get together, because this is the thing. We realize that content is king, and not just content is king, but we are trying to make sure that we have whole heap of content after content after content to make sure that we can upload even 2 movies a week. And one other thing, we're launching a brand new channel, so I will just make sure that at least every week we have 2 movies I got, one for Richard Brown Films, one for Jamaiwood. So
Hold on, stop. Name my channel?
Jamaiwood.
Jamaiwood. How me spell that?
I think at Jammi.
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 OOD.
Yeah.
OOD. Listen.
Alright, man. So that's how the new different kind of movie them all go, or every kind of movie.
Every kind of movie. But the thing is, what we are trying to differentiate with Richard Brown Films in terms of Jamaiwood is that we want Jamaiwood to be a place where if you have filmmakers who don't have a platform and want to put out their movie, they can link and say, oh, Richard Brown, we have a film that we want to go out, but we don't have a platform. You can link, we put it on Jamaiwood, and in that sense, once it go out and it bring in revenue, then we can say, alright, you get this, we take that. So we want to make it be like a Hollywood, but a Jamaiwood.
Alright, Papa.
Jamaica.
So, one more thing before we go.
Jamaiwood.
Last day of March, today what? Wednesday or Thursday? Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday, Friday, lockdown. What are the plans then for the lockdown?
Alright, the plan is similar to the last lockdown what we have, is that we realize...
Hold on, I don't mean to stop you. But I got to do one repeat.
Them, after lockdown, like, alright, for example,
them the amount of shooting they and thing I talk about.
well, we are trying to do a little bit more than what we did the last time. Anything we pose a challenge for we try to use it to your advantage. So the lockdown come now, we can't get from mobile and move from one place to the next. So guess what we do? Can't everybody come one place and just put in the work. Because the work have been done. No matter how nobody want to take it, lockdown go on, we have bills to pay still, we have picnic to take care of, we have ourselves to take care of, plus we have an obligation to the fans to create. So we can't make that be a challenge, you see me? Yeah.
Alright, my boss. Thank you.